And this concludes the mystery of why Olivia is always so very dirty. Here she is, determined to dig up our palm so that she can live underneath it. Olive, are you getting dirty? Are you getting dirty, pretty girl? Yeah, you are. Is that your hole? Can I see it? It's getting pretty deep there. I'm just kicking out dirt. Just digging up a big old hole. Is it deep enough? What do you think? Did you just pee in it? So everybody knows it's your hole? Nobody else wants it. It's yours, I promise. And now you are sufficiently dirty. Yep, I'm still there. Oh, we're going to fill it back in. Oh, goodness. Oh, we're just going to dig up the other side. Okay. Good job.